In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto-return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo is a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists. It offers stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video capabilities, capturing striking footage of sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with remarkable clarity. The drone features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flying experience. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro can achieve extended flight times of up to 45 minutes per battery, enabling longer, uninterrupted flights. The drone provides real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20-kilometer FHD video transmission, offering immersive, lag-free viewing experiences. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also offers customizable intelligent tracking with active shots 360 degrees, making it easy to capture smooth, professional-grade videos. Comparing the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo, both drones offer impressive features that cater to different user needs. The HS175D GPS drone, priced at $169.99, is equipped with a 4K ultra-clear camera and offers a variety of intelligent functions, such as automatic follow and path setting, which can enhance user experience. It also boasts a significant flight time of up to 46 minutes thanks to its 2 batteries. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo, priced higher at $1,159, provides superior video capabilities with its 4K 60 FPS HDR video and offers omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer flying experiences. Additionally, it also offers extended flight times up to 45 minutes per battery and real-time, high-quality aerial footage with 20-kilometer FHD video transmission. Both drones are designed to be lightweight and portable, with the HS175D GPS drone weighing under 250 grams and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo being a lightweight drone that doesn't require registration for recreational use. Although both drones are highly rated, with the HS175D GPS Drone Package scoring 4.1 with over 5,950 reviews, and DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo scoring 4.6 with 18 and 11 reviews, their features and pricing cater to different market segments. The HS175D GPS Drone Package offers excellent value for its price, making it a great choice for beginners or hobbyists on a budget, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro Combo, with its advanced features and higher price point, is more suited for experienced users or professionals seeking high-quality aerial footage.